Hey, what's up guys? Today I want to talk about one huge mistake that newbie RE photographers always make, which is a complete disregard of verticals. I'm talking nice, clean vertical lines throughout the photos. It's one of those things that once you see it, it really can't be unseen. Here are a few of my photos that I captured when I was just getting started. Notice the extremely bad verticals, the funky lines, etc., etc. Compare that to my photos now. See the difference? If your photos look like the before photos, then here are 4 simple and easy ways to level up the look of your real estate photos by fixing your verticals. And to help you a bit more, I organized the tips to start with the quickest and the easiest to implement first. So let's jump on into it. Tip number 1. First, you want to pull up your photos in Lightroom or Photoshop that you've already recently captured. Navigate to the vertical section and hit autocorrect. Boom, done, easy. This can make a big difference in just a click. However, it can heavily crop your photos and kind of create weird distortions, so your mileage may vary depending on where you started with. Tip number 2. Next, you want to turn on your camera, navigate to the display menu, and activate the grid lines in your camera, as well as the digital level. Most newer DSLR and mirrorless models on the market today will have these. Take a look at your manual or find a tutorial to help you with your specific camera. Next time you're at a real estate shoot, just ensure that your digital level is nice and straight and that your vertical lines are parallel to the walls and the doors. Moving right along to tip number 3, which is another great tip for next time you're at a gig helping your client, and that is to place your camera at the right height so there's no need to worry about automatically fixing the perspective later on. When you place your camera at the right height, there's no need to tilt up or tilt down, which is actually what causes those kind of goofy verticals. And finally, tip number 4. Think about upgrading your camera gear. Now, I would highly recommend looking into a geared tripod head, which makes dialing in your verticals super easy and intuitive. My personal favorite is the Manfrotto 410. It's always done me right and costs about $300. There's also the Benro GD3WH, which is cheaper at about $225. Or if you've got deep pockets, check out the Arca Swiss C1 Cube, which retails for around $1,500. You can also consider upgrading to a tilt shift lens like a Canon 17mm tilt shift, 24mm tilt shift, etc. These can run around $2,000 or more per lens. Maybe try renting it first and try it out to see if you like it. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed these tips on making your verticals look awesome. Get out there and try it. Like I've said before, knowledge is really no good unless you can apply it to something. Feel free to subscribe and follow for more awesome real estate photography content. And if you're interested in learning more from me about the art and the business side of real estate photo and video work, I've actually got a full course available. It covers exactly how I earn 6 figures a year shooting cool photos and videos for real estate clients and teams. It also covers how to attract new clients, how to hire editors to free up your time, and grow a sweet business that gives you money and time freedom. So check out the link in the description for more info. There's also a free Instagram hashtag download included as well. So that's really awesome and I definitely recommend you try it. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.